And you can see these rounded corners. What I did was just cut a paper template to use and figure out how it was going to fit, and transcribe that over onto the tile itself. And you can see it has little overlapping spots so that you put them in like that. And this one still needs just a little bit of trimming because it's not quite exactly right yet. I just wanted to show how to get around some of these corners. It's looking pretty good. Definitely a big improvement from over what it was before. So we'll have some before and after photos. This is what it kind of looked like before, and now it's looking like after. But stay tuned for more. You can see this, but what I did was I got it trimmed in kind of close to where it was going to be, and so I pressed it right along the edge of the window. And I'm going to take a razor blade and just trim along this edge here and trim that piece off, so then it'll be nice and tight up against there. We want to thank you for watching today. We really do appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. Please put your comments below. Any ideas, things you'd like to see, just comments about the videos. Much appreciated. Join us on Instagram at just.let.me.travel. And as always, please ring the bell, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, so that you can be notified of new videos. We will be traveling and doing RV renovations and just whatever we can come up with, who knows. So new videos every week. And again, thank you so very much for joining us today.